Taylor Fritz is an American professional tennis player. He was born on October 28, 1997 in San Diego, California, United States. He was born the youngest of three boys to Guy Fritz and Kathy May. His mother Kathy May Fritz was a top 10 player and his father Guy Henry Fritz also played professional tennis and was named US Olympic Development Coach of the Year 2016. Fritz grew up with his brothers in Rancho Santa Fe in the San Diego metropolitan area. He attended Torrey Pines High School, where he won the CIF singles title in the San Diego section as a freshman. A few months into the sophomore year, he switched to an online high school to play ITF junior events full-time. In 2022, seeded 28th at the Australian Open, Fritz reached the fourth round of a Grand Slam for the first time after defeating 50th seed Roberto Bautista Agut in 5 sets. As a result, he made his debut in the top 20 of the singles rankings on January 31, 2022. Also seeded 20th at Indian Wells, Fritz became the first American to reach the final at the event since John Isner in 2012 by beating Kamil Mashrak, qualifier John Munar, 29th seed Alex de Minaur, and world number 7 Andrei Rublev. He played Rafael Nadal in the final. Fritz has a son with ex-wife Raquel Pedraza. He reached his maiden ATP final in only his third career event, the 2016 Memphis Open. Only one other American, John Isner, has reached an ATP final in fewer career events. Fritz won a junior major singles title at the 2015 US Open and was the runner-up in junior singles at the 2015 French Open. Fritz made his second Masters 1000 quarter-final at the 2021 Rolex Paris Masters, where he beat Lorenzo Sonego, 5th seed and world number 6 Andrei Rublev for his third top 10 win of the year, and 10th seed and Indian Wells champion Cameron Norrie. At the 2021 St. Petersburg Open, Fritz turned 24 and won against countryman Tommy Paul. At the 2021 BNP Paribas Open, he earned first top 10 win in 2 years by beating world number 7 and 5th seed Matteo Berrettini to reach the fourth round at a Masters 1000 of the year and only the third in his career. It was his first win against a top 10 opponent in 2021 and the 7th of his career. Fritz dropped again out of the top 30 on May 10, 2021, following first round losses at Monte Carlo and Madrid. With this drop in the rankings, it also marked the first time there were no American men players in the top 30 in the nearly half-century of computerized tennis rankings. At the US Open 2022, Fritz was seeded 19th. He defeated Dominic Cooper in 4 sets and then beat Gail Simon in the second round before losing to Denis Shapovalov in the third round in 5 sets. In June 2019, Fritz won his first ATP Tour title at the Eastbourne International by defeating Sam Querrey in straight sets. In the first round of Wimbledon, Fritz defeated Thomas Bridek in straight sets before losing to John Leonard Struff in 4 sets. At the Australian Open 2020, Fritz reached the third round, posting a 5-set victory over Kevin Anderson. He was then defeated by eventual finalist Dominic Thiem.